It all started with our founder Eric at the back of a restaurant. Eric's decades-long career in the food industry means he's seen it all, including perfectly good excess ingredients getting thrown out. This never sat well with Eric, so he devised a solution. Why not partner with food service businesses to prevent waste while giving the dogs he loves a whole food culinary experience? At Dog & Whistle, we want healthy pets and a better world. With our expertise in the food industry and our love for our dogs, we know we can achieve both. We know that to disrupt the way dog food is made and distributed, we need the support of the local communities to reduce the carbon paw print.